Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Use 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/3 cup light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup water for a small batch. Combine these in a medium saucepan and stir gently to moisten all the sugar without splashing. Prepare a silicone mat or greased baking sheet and measure 1-inch round molds if you prefer uniform pieces. Have a candy thermometer, oven mitts, and a small heat-proof spatula ready before heating begins. Keep a bowl of cold water nearby to test small drips. Work quickly once the syrup reaches temperature. Heat the sugar mixture over medium heat without stirring until it reaches 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage. Start with even heat and tilt the pan to dissolve remaining crystals with a spoon if needed, but avoid vigorous stirring. Add 1/2 teaspoon flavor extract and up to 1 teaspoon liquid color after removing from heat, stirring gently to combine. Pour thin streams onto the mat in 1-inch circles and allow pieces to spread for a few seconds. Work in small batches and keep children away from the hot syrup. Let the lollipops cool undisturbed for 8 to 10 minutes until fully hardened at room temperature. If using sticks, insert 1/2-inch sticks during the first 30 seconds of cooling for secure placement, or press sticks into molten centers gently and hold until set. To make random pieces, lift the sheet and snap larger discs into bite-size fragments with a clean knife. Store pieces in an airtight container between layers separated by parchment, lasting up to 2 weeks in a cool, dry place away from humidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.